Fascism. We hear this word all the time, but what's the real idea behind it? Let's find out.
Yeah, it gets used as a political insult a lot, but the original meaning, that's often totally lost.
Okay, first things first, we have to draw a clear line. Original Italian fascism was not the same as Nazism.
So to get to the core idea, you have to meet its main philosopher, a guy named Gentile.
His philosophy was called actual idealism, and the core belief, it's pretty wild. Our minds literally create reality.
For Gentile, a world existing outside our minds was just absurd. He said we build it all with our thoughts.
So, the world isn't something we discover, it's something we make through sheer will and action. A total game changer.
Gentile believed we're all spiritually connected. So, the perfect state? It unites us all into one ethical state. And get this, because the state is the people, he actually called it the most democratic state possible.
So where did these radical ideas come from? Well, they have some pretty controversial intellectual roots. Let's dig in.
A lot of this stuff was championed by Friedrich Nietzsche, a philosopher who absolutely hated the Enlightenment.
To Nietzsche, equality wasn't justice. He literally called it a poison that gets in the way of life itself.
He even argued that for any great culture to exist, you had to have slavery and exploitation.
Wow. And democracy? He hated it. Called it a herd mentality that just makes everyone mediocre and weak.
So his whole philosophy was just a complete attack on modern values. You can see why fascists loved it. Okay, so that's the philosophy. But is fascism just an idea? Or is it more of a political playbook?
Let's look at a modern take. Philosopher Jason Stanley says it's a specific set of tactics for grabbing power.
All these tactics work together to build a cult around a leader who promises to fix everything.
The goal is to attack truth itself. That way, the leader becomes the only one who decides what's real.
So you've got three layers, right? The philosophy, the influence behind it, and the modern tactical playbook.
Which brings us to the big question. Is it a unifying philosophy or just a playbook for division and power?